In the meantime, the heat will continue. That is a guarantee the rest of the week. Everybody will see that heat advisory through at least tomorrow. This will get extended in some form or fashion Thursday and Friday. In fact, there could even be some portions of North Texas that get upgraded to one of those excessive heat warnings that we saw quite a few times over the summer as well. Heat advisories are in place for portions of Texas, portions of Oklahoma as we expand the view across the state. That's because that high pressure heat dome, it's still around, really hadn't gone anywhere, at least for this whole second half of the summer, and it's why we'll continue to have the triple digits the rest of the week. Peak of the heat will happen on Thursday and Friday, but it'll still be close enough to us to give us a hot weekend, just maybe not as hot as what we're going to be during this week. But here's the good news. Watch what happens as we head through next week. That high pressure heat dome really just kind of fizzles out, fades away, opens the door for a front to move in, opens the door for some rain chances and some cooler weather. But all that is next week, not really this week is when we'll be dealing with that. Right now outside, we do have some showers and storms up in Oklahoma across western portions of really not in our area. That's kind of more out in the big country, out toward Abilene, a little activity up toward Wichita Falls and in southern Oklahoma. Still a lot of sinking air over North Texas, so a lot of this is going to have a real struggle to move into North Texas overnight tonight, but I can't rule out maybe a little spotty activity across far western northern areas as we head through the late night hours. But most of this I think will just kind of fizzle out now that we've lost the heat of the day. So I mean, by tomorrow morning, as Izzy was talking about, really think the carpool line will be dry. But tomorrow afternoon and evening, watch what happens. We hit the heat of the day. Some of that activity kind of bubbles up during the heat of the day thanks to kind of a stalled front, little outflow boundary out there. That front's not going to cool us off at all, but it might give us the focus for a few showers and storms tomorrow afternoon. Find yourself lucky underneath one of those. It's a brief round of heavy rain, maybe a little gusty wind activity as well, but certainly not everybody will see those showers and storms. It's about a 20, maybe 30% coverage across the area tomorrow, and the heat definitely will be on as we head through tomorrow as well. Near record heat. Warm, muggy, and breezy tonight. Only 81 for the low when we should be down in the low 70s. Hot, humid, and breezy tomorrow. It's an air quality alert day. 103 my high. The record tomorrow is 104, so we'll be in record territory. I think we break the record on Thursday because it's 104 again, and my high's up to 105. Friday's record drops to 100, so pretty easily break that one with a high of 107. In fact, we'll smash that one. This weekend's a little bit better, but still hot. But all eyes are on next week where we get back closer to normal, and it's multiple days of some rain chances. Of course, you know, some of those chances may go up and down as we get closer, but at least it's multiple days in a row there versus kind of like what we have going on tomorrow, which is just kind of that one shot of rain here or there.